Today we're going to install an RCA RG59 compression connector on some SDI cable for home theatre. Here we can make home theatre interconnect leads custom made for your application. First we use part number DL SDI. This is Digital Life serial digital interface cable made for high definition video and audio applications. If you're building or wiring a home theatre, you should be using serial digital cable. It's a standard RG59 size so as to minimise cable space requirements. It's a full copper centre conductor with a tinned copper braid available in yellow, black or clear transparent as we have here today. 100 metre rolls and now also available in a 305 metre. We also have DL RCA 59 Comp RCA 24 karat gold compression connector, which comes with 6 coloured rings to suit your application. We also have our cable stripper, the CST2, which will strip both RG59 and RG6 size cables. We also have our compression tool, CT01. Here it is with interchangeable dies inside, which we change depending on the connector we want to do. Today we choose the RCA as we're doing an RCA connector. Now to terminate it. Step 1. We strip the cable, leaving the cable protruding past the stripper by about 5 mm. Step 2. Once stripped, we pull back the braiding, making sure no braids are touching the centre conductor. Step 3, we take our connector, which comes with a separate pin. The separate pin is then slid over the top of the centre conductor, making sure it does not touch any of the foil or braiding at the bottom. If it does touch, it will short out the connector and it won't work. We stop short of touching the foam and foil by 3 to 5 mm. Step 4, once the centre pin is on and slid all the way down, we then slide over the outer connector, pushing until the centre pin protrudes up and out of the connector. The centre pin should extend 10 mm out of the connector. If it does not extend 10 mm, you will need to push it until it does. Step 5, we take the tool and put the connector and the cable into the tool. We compress it and done. We now slide over the coloured ring of choice. And there you have it, an RCA compression connector fitted off and terminated for your digital life.